Welcome to At-Tahiyyat wa At-Tarhib, or Arabic greetings. This is level 1, focusing on initial communication and building confidence. Our lesson's objective is to learn the core vocabulary for social interaction, understanding how to offer the first greeting and its linguistic and cultural meanings. Let's begin with general meeting greetings. Marhaban is a comprehensive greeting used formally and casually. Ahlan is a friendly, welcoming phrase, and ahlan bika/biki is the polite standard response to a basic welcome. The early morning greeting is Sabah al-Khair, meaning good morning, a polite phrase wishing others a day full of goodness and peace. The correct response is Sabah an-Nur, which means morning of light, karam al-liqa, or the generosity of meeting and welcoming. Arabic culture is known for its hospitality. Using the correct greeting phrases, like Ahlan w Assalamu, shows deep mutual respect and reflects values of affection and peace. When meeting someone new, you can say Surirtu biliqaik, meaning nice to meet you. This creates a positive and gentle bond. When leaving, use Ila alika, or see you later, which offers a warm farewell and a hope for a future meeting. The best start in Arabic communication is always offering peace. Assalamu Alaykum. This grants immediate confidence with native speakers and improves the quality of interaction and linguistic empathy from the first meeting. It is 100% positive. Here is a reference dictionary for this lesson. It includes words like Surirtu biliqaik, nice to meet you, W adaan, goodbye, and araka lahiqan, see you later. You also have the term latif, which means kind or nice. To practice correct pronunciation and interaction, first, listen to the interactive audio, focusing on correctly pronouncing the guttural letters. Then, use spaced repetition to reinforce the articulation. Finally, practice with your Qur'anist teachers to build confident communication. The golden phrase for your first conversation is Ahlan, surirtu biliqaik, W adaan, araka lahiqan. This translates to, hi, nice to meet you, bye, see you later. Here is the roadmap to conversational fluency. Stage 1 focuses on mastering basic greetings and farewells. Stage 2 involves constructing complete self-introduction sentences. Stage 3 is a full interactive conversation with your Qur'anist teacher. Are you ready for live practice? Start your interactive audio lesson now to speak Arabic fluently from the very first meeting. Let's begin the lesson.